What do you got there, Taylor?
Card from Nana and Papa.
A card from Nana and Papa. What has it got on it?
A unicorn.
A unicorn. Is that your favorite?
Yeah.
Yeah. And who knows about your unicorn?
It's bird.
Apparently Nana and Papa know, huh? That's your favorite? What was in the card? Do you remember?
Money.
Money?
And dollars.
How cool is that?
Super cool.
Super cool. What do you say to Nana and Papa?
Thank you.
Why are you blowing them kisses? Do it again. Say love you.
I love you.
Say see you Saturday.
See you Saturday.
What is that?
A card.
A card
From Nana and Papa.
from Nana and Papa. Can you read it to them?
You are a kind of grandson who gets right into everybody's heart
Okay, what does the inside say?
and says here, Happy Valentine's Day, Connor. Love, Nana and Papa.
Good job. What was in the card?
Money.
Money. How cool is that?
Money.
Can you say thank you?
Thank you. Money. I love you. See you on Saturday.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day.